Hi world, my name is Matthew Adamayeki, Bassmatics. You're welcome to my channel once again, Bassmatics Online Bass and Music Lessons. Today I want to quickly drop some finger exercise that can help beef up your speed and dexterity as a bass player. Are you ready? If this is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell. A lot of tutorials are on the way. Alright, let's go! I can do do re mi fa sa la ti do. Just like so I'm doing. Right. Do mi fa fi re so re ti re do. So I can begin to do playing around with notes. Do fa so re ti so So I'm just playing around. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you learned from it. If you have any questions, you can kindly drop your questions and then your contributions. A lot of videos are on the way. I love you. Bye.